Happy Earth Day! Today is the day that we celebrate my favorite planet, which is the planet Earth. So I'm going to show you a little activity that you can do at home, and then hopefully your activity will grow and you get to enjoy some of the Earth's beautiful flowers. Alright, let me show you what you need to get started. I have this jar here, it's full of water. That's because I'm going to plant something, so I want to give it a drink afterwards. I have some soil. I also have a piece of newspaper, a can, some masking tape, and a packet of seeds. Or if you don't have seeds at home, you can look in your yard and see if any of the plants that you have growing out there have made seeds that you can collect. Alright, so let me show you what you're going to do first. First things first, your can should be empty. Mine is empty. I'm going to take my newspaper, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to fold it in half this way, hot dog style. There we go. Got it. Great. Now, I'm going to take my can, I'm going to put it so the opening is facing down, and I'm going to wrap my newspaper with my can. We're going to make a newspaper planter so that you can plant something inside of a newspaper planter. And then if you want, after it grows, if you want to put it in the ground, you can dig a hole, you can stick the newspaper straight in, it'll decompose. So now I have my can wrapped in the paper, and I'm going to fold the paper in like this to make the bottom. Now I'm going to put a little tape to hold it. You don't have to use tape though, but I'm going to, it helps. Okay, so I need 2 pieces of masking tape. 1, 2. Alright, I'm going to tape the bottom. Good. And the side. Okay. Now I'm going to pull it off. And now I can use the can again. I'm going to press it inside to flatten out the bottom. So now I have a little newspaper pot. Guess what I'm going to put inside? You got it. Some soil. Ready? I'm going to fill it most of the way up. If you did a good job, no soil should come leaking out of the bottom of your pot. Okay, I filled it up. See the soil? Now it's time to plant our seeds. Take your finger, make a little hole, open up your seeds. I have marigolds. They're inside. Can you see them? Okay, I'm gonna put them in my hole. They're in there. Cover them up with a little soil so I can't see them anymore. Tell them, grow, baby, grow. Happy Earth Day. Give them a little water. I don't want to give them too much because it's paper, right? And plus you don't want to drown the seeds. Okay, there we go. That is it. Place it in a sunny spot. Give it water when it seems dry. And hopefully you will soon have a beautiful flower growing. Happy Earth Day. Bye, kids.